Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen. Today I'm sharing with you guys some super easy Dollar Tree DIYs for Christmas that look super cute. So let's get into the video. First one is so easy. I don't even know if we should call this a DIY, but I found these really cute like buffalo check mason jar pieces. And if you cannot find these at Dollar Tree, grab some ribbon and add it to some plain old mason jars. But I just had these like pine cone, cotton stem, berry picks, or stems, whatever you like to call them, from the Dollar Tree from last year. I know they had them this year too, but I really like using whatever I have on hand. I like reusing items. I update my decor so much through the years that I try to buy less now than I used to and just reuse what I have. Anyways, this toolbox, this was from Michael's whenever they had their really great like 70% off deal a few months ago. And I'm just adding these mason jars into the toolbox. I like to call it a toolbox. That's all I did for this, but look how pretty this is. And I only paid $3. Everything else was on hand, but I just love the way these look. Even if you don't have a toolbox, you can only find one of these. How cute are these little pine cone picks inside these mason jars? I love this one.
Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
This next one, I'm going to be using this little house with a shelf from Dollar Tree, and then I'm just using a glue stick, getting this down really good, adding some scrapbook paper. I already pre-cut this for the video because nobody wants to see me cut scrapbook paper every single video. This scrapbook paper was from Dollar Tree. No, it wasn't from Dollar Tree. It was from Hobby Lobby. I was going to say Hobby Lobby, and then I was thinking about the papers and things like that from Dollar Tree. They have like the sticky wallpaper. Anyways, I had both these ornaments and I was trying to decide which one I wanted to use, and my daughter was sitting next to me. So you see like fingers flying, everything like that. That was because we couldn't decide which one. Either we wanted to do the deer or the tree. I love these like little whimsical rustic decor pieces. I know they're cardboard. I feel like that we could make these without having the little hole in the deer, because I was like wondering if I should use this because there's a hole there, and I was like, maybe I could cover it. I don't really know what I could cover it with. I also didn't want to like try to match the color of it. It was like a whole thing, so I left the hole there. It doesn't bother me probably as much as it bothers you. This, I just ripped apart a pick I had and just added a bunch of berries, pine cones, and greenery pieces to the top of this because it did look a tad plain, and that is all I did for this one.
Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
For this one here, I'm using these cute ornaments from Walmart, and then I'm going to be using these pencil holders from Dollar Tree. I've seen people haul these for a solid year, and I've only seen 2 of these at my Dollar Tree ever. So I picked up both of them, and I ended up making some cute little trees out of these. anyways, I was going to use this like pine decor pick from Walmart last year, changed my mind and decided to use the bottle brush trees from Dollar Tree. Shove them right in those little pencil holders. These are so cute. I'm in love with them. I think this matches my decor so well. So I want to show you guys a little bit of my decor. If you guys haven't checked out my 3-tier tray videos, then you definitely missed this whole little table area. So I will link that below for you guys if you want to check out how I decorated my tier trays for Christmas. But you guys, these are all so easy. This next one here, I'm just going to be using a wood crate and this ornament. I had this ornament last year from Dollar General, and then I'm just going to take the Waverly chalk paint in white and paint the crate. You could do whatever you wanted. I really just wanted some like modern decor, some really subtle colors. So I only used white here. And then I just glued the little ornament right to the front of this. And then I just added some bottle brush trees. I picked up a ton of bottle brush trees this year from Dollar Tree, even though I already knew I had a bunch, but at least I found some ways to decorate with them. And I think this turned out really cute.
Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. We're gonna dance, have a good time, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
This last one, I'm using this chalkboard. It does have 2 sides and it stands up. I thought this was adorable. I just decided to use a small chalk couture transfer. I love using chalk couture whenever I get a chance, and I thought that this would look so stinking cute on here. It is so easy, and these are actually gift tags from chalk couture. You can make your own gift tags, but I liked this deer and I want to do it white. I liked the black and white and then just the plain wood. I think this also looks really great with my decor, and I will also link chalk couture in the description box if you guys want to check it out. But you guys, yeah, that's it. These were the quickest, most easiest DIYs I have made all year long. And if you guys liked them, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, consider sticking around and subscribing. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!